I'd like to talk about the gas tax increase and explain some of the numbers behind this so everyone's clear on what's going on with its impact to rural versus metro families. Now, we pay for roads in Minnesota with a 28.5 cent per gallon state tax plus an 18.4 cent federal tax. And it sounds like pocket change, but when it all adds up, it isn't. Let's look at two real-life examples comparing metro versus rural. Now, your average metro family makes $10,000 more in income, about $65,000 versus $55,000 for rural families. Plus, the metro people drive smaller, newer, more fuel-efficient vehicles, and they drive fewer miles per car than their average rural counterparts. For the metro, two cars, like Honda Civics or something, they average about 36 miles per gallon. They average 11,000 miles per car. And that means they buy 610 gallons and pay $286 in all gas taxes per year. Walls' gas tax increase would mean that a metro family would pay an additional $134 in taxes, making their total gas tax about 0.6% of their family income. Now, an average rural family drives less fuel-efficient vehicles. They average about 16 miles per gallon per car, and they drive more miles per vehicle, averaging 16,000 miles per year. So a two-vehicle family in rural Minnesota currently averages 2,000 gallons a year and pays $938 in gas tax. Walls' increase for a rural family would mean they'd end up paying $1,338 in gas taxes, which equates to 2.4% of their family income. So again, under Walls' proposal, a metro family would be at 0.6% of their income in gas taxes, but a rural family, 2.4% of their income. That's 4 times the impact. Now, this is the reason why I oppose the gas tax increase. It so disproportionately impacts rural Minnesota and those families earning less than the average Minnesotan.